Alright, so the question is, if a cow can start having calves at 2 years old, how many calves are born in 12 years? So I'm starting this off with the mother being of childbearing age. So the first year, and the second year, and the third year, all the way on down for all 12 years, the mother's going to have one calf every year. Alright, so then we get to this calf that she had is going to be of childbearing age here. So year 3 and on, mama cow is going to be a grandma cow. Same thing here. This calf gets to be of childbearing age 2 years later. So from this year on down, she's going to keep having calves. So I've got this accounted for, this accounted for. Now I'm going to get these two accounted for. They're going to be of childbearing age after year 5. So year 5 on, they're both going to start having calves every year. And I got them accounted for. Year 4, we got 3 calves who will start producing calves of their own after year 6. So we got 1, 2, 3 more to fill in. And now I've got these accounted for. Year 5, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 calves that are all going to be of childbearing age after year 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I've got these accounted for. Year 6, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 calves. They're going to be of childbearing age after year 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. And we've got kind of enough here where we can start looking for patterns. Year 1, there's clearly just going to be one calf born. Year 2, there's just the one calf born. Year 3, there's 2 calves born. Year 4, there's 1, 2, 3 calves born. This year 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 calves born. Year 6, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 calves born. We can see the Fibonacci sequence forming as we go down the right. Year 7, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 calves born. And then year 8, there's 21 calves born. You can see the Fibonacci sequence forming. You're really just adding on the previous number to get the next. So 1 and 1 is 2, 1 and 2 is 3, 2 and 3 is 5, 3 and 5 is 8. Continuing this pattern, we have 13 and 21, we'd have 34. Oops, there. 21 and 34 would be 55. 34 and 55 would be 89. 55 and 89 would be, I don't know, 144. And then if you add all this up, you get the total number of calves born in all 12 years. Hope that helps.
Daddy, why did you break my crayon on my coloring book?
It was an accident.